In this video, I'm going to show how to run my programs. First is the TF times IDF algorithm. This algorithm is implemented in a Python module called some TF-IDF. To use the functions in this module, first we should import the entire module, like shown in this in the console. Well, we'll have to wait for a minute for the module to load, and then we can just type in the function name to use the functions. For example, if I'm going to create a background corpus dictionary consisting of the words in the background corpus, I'm going to type the function name and run. And then we can see that a txt file is created in the folder, so that we can read these background corpus for future use. Similarly, there are functions for calculating the TF times IDF weights, and functions used to calculate to select the sentences given a raw string to consisting of all the review sentences, such as this function. And similarly, the SVM is structured in a Python module with a set of functions like SVM training, which will use the data to train a model and save the model into a file, so that the model can be used by all future predictions. And there are feature functions which generate the feature vectors given a list of the sentences. And it is very inconvenient to just type in the function names in the Python console or write a Python script. So I provide a user interface based on the CGI, which is the Common Gate interface. To use the CGI, we first have to run a local HTTP server, like in this script. This is a CGI server, and first I'll run this server, and then we can call this client script from the web browser. Let's see, localhost CGI client page .py, and we get a form like this, where you can type in the company name and the position. And in this project, only the software engineering position is considered, and submit. And we can see that the browser will invoke the handler script, which will run the SVM algorithms to extract the sentences to be displayed on the browser. See, now we have a display of the interview questions retrieved by the SVM algorithm. We can see that this is a interview question evidently, and this also, but there may also be false positives, such as this one. It is definitely not an interview question, but it is somehow retrieved. And we can see that the accuracy is generally acceptable. The problem is that the true positive is too low, or let's say the recall rate is not satisfactory. We can recall from the video presentation that the recall rate is just about 30. It means just only 1/3 of the interview questions classified by human is actually retrieved by the script. However, this is the user interface and this is how my program runs. We can test some other inputs. For example, if we use full bar, which makes no sense, the script will just return, oh, the company and the position is not found. And if we enter, for example, let's say Yahoo, and then software engineering, we can enter other job positions, of course, but the summarization result will be disastrous. This algorithm takes some time to run, especially for large datasets. Okay, here is the result. Let's see. Interview question, but this is not interview questions. And we can see that this implementation actually works, and the user can actually enter the jobs and the company they want to search for and give the results back. And this is what I implemented in this project.